Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a recipe review, but more of a product recipe review. We're going to be working on making some fudge. It's already prepackaged, so all the ingredients we need are right in here aside from 2 tablespoons of butter. I like doing these product reviews primarily because I want to see if it tastes good, but also to let you guys know if this is maybe a worthwhile thing to get, either for yourself or for somebody else. So let's hurry up and make this because I'm hungry.
First thing you have to do is grab an 8 square inch pan, cover it in tinfoil, oil it, and place it aside. Now grab a saucepan and add 3 ingredients, your sugar mix and your cute little can of evaporated milk. Both are provided in the product, and add 2 tablespoons of butter. You'll want to bring the mixture to a boil, stirring occasionally, and once it's at a boil, you're going to be stirring constantly for about 4 minutes. After that time, you can move your saucepan off for a minute and just mix, just to let the mixture cool down. Then you can add in your chocolate chips. Once properly mixed, you can pour it into the square inch pan. Now we just place this into the refrigerator for 2 hours or until it firms up, and we're ready to eat.
The ease of this make and bake was amazingly easy. Products that bring the recipe together. You have all the ingredients right there. You know exactly what your serving sizes are. You know the calories. It's all there. It's all easy to make, and what I love most of all is they have the instructions right on the back of the box, so you can't really mess up. If I mess the fudge brownies up, it's probably my subconscious because I don't really like fudge. Would a picky eater like this? I don't know. If you are somebody that likes fudge, there's no reason why you wouldn't like this recipe or this product. Fudge is done. So I cut off a tiny little piece and we're gonna try the fudge right now. It's good. It's very sweet, which makes sense because there's sugar and chocolate in it. I like fudge. I like this fudge.
I like this fudge.
And I think it's because I made it with you. And finally, would I make and bake this again? Of course. It's so easy to make and they give you everything in the box. It's one of those Christmas or after Christmas specials, depending on how you like to buy. And I think if this is something that's put out every single year and maybe multiple times a year, why wouldn't you? It gives you all the ingredients there. There's literally no way that you can mess it up. I hope you join me next time either on the next recipe review or the next product review. We'll see what's behind my picky eater brain. Cheers!